Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, a small business in Abington, just me. And I came across your website, so I thought I would shoot you the screencast video showing you how you're doing online and giving you some insight into how things work. So if you're interested in learning anything more about Christy's Leads after the video, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to talk about keywords, content, citations, and backlinks today. And I'm going to start on the front page of your website and talk about keywords and content. So I see you have a nice call to action here, a phone number, another call to action here, which is great, makes it easy for people to take action. Some nice images as well. Even the way you're saving images counts as content. So you want to make sure these are saved as highly searched keywords like gutter repair, or Montgomery County, windows and door replacement, Bucks County, things like that. And so Google likes to see some more content. About 1,500 words helps them understand you and what you're trying to do and where. Within those 1,500 words, I put about 10 to 12 highly searched relevant keywords that you want to be found for. So maybe siding, Montgomery County, roofing repairs, Bucks County. And then Google picks you up for those words and your URLs, and then, you start ranking for them for sure. So the next thing I'm going to talk about are citations in the map pack. And here I did a Google search for roofers, Bucks County. I know you service a pretty broad area, Montgomery, Mainline, New Jersey, and Bucks. So I just chose Bucks. I could have done roofing, Bucks County. There's lots of different ways people search for the same thing. So you want to find out like what you want to be found for. And sorry, I had to pause you there. So one of the ways to optimize your website is to figure out, what people are searching for the most and to be found at the top for those searches. So you have your Google guaranteed ads here, and then you have your map pack, which is what I want to talk about. And in your map pack, you get a lot of visibility. You take up 5 lines, which is great space. In a mobile phone, it's just a click to call. Your website's here, and you're going to get a lot of visibility. So in order to get here, you just go through a small process, and you want to keep up with your citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Yelp, Angie's Yellow Pages, things like that. You want to stay ahead of your competitors. That's what helps keep you up in that top spot. Although it does change a lot, and it'll appear for, you can appear for various search words as well in different areas. So if you are the top spot in the map pack and the top spot organically underneath it, which is this company, statistically speaking, you get 80% of the search volume that comes to this page, and that's a pretty good number. In order to get here to this top spot organically, you want to have strong backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. So it could be a blog about roofing. Someone mentions your website, and that's the backlink, and the blog is called the referring domain. So I'm going to show you, here you are, a tool I use called Ahrefs. Gives us insight into any website, couple $100 a month. Anyone can get it. Just helps keep up with your website, maintain it. These are your backlinks. These are your referring domains. So you want to be concerned with quality and quantity. So the better quality, the more power to your website. It's like the Nikes or the store brand. These are the keywords you're ranking for. 365 in the top 100, and this is the traffic you're bringing in a month. I'm going to click into your keywords. And as they are loading, I'm going to show you one of your competitors. This looks like it's a little bit of a broader construction company, but they do roofing. They were somewhere on this front page. Yes, they were below these companies, and these companies had a lot of search volume too, but they're a little larger. So their search volume is going to be different. So here's this company, their referring domains, backlinks, their keywords, and the traffic that they're generating. So let's look at your keywords. Okay, so you're coming up for all of your business, which is fine. I'm looking for high buyer intent keywords, which is what people are going to search, and they're going to want to go to your page. Let's check on the next page. And I don't see any high buyer intent keywords yet. Let me try one more page, and if not, I'm going to start to load list competitors in case I can't find any. Huntington, no. Memphis, not sure what that is. Okay, so, all right, let's look at another competitors real quick. Roofing, Bucks County, PA. That's a high buyer intent keyword because someone's looking for roofing and lives in Bucks County, PA. So it's in their content somewhere on this page and the URL. 60 searches a month, and the KD is 2, which is very low. It's not competitive in terms of time and money. Bucks County roofer, another one, 70 searches. Roofers in Bucks County, 60 searches. Home remodeling, that's not you. Roofing contractors, Bucks County, 30. All those searches definitely add up for sure. Roofing, roofer, siding contractor. So you can kind of see those are the kind of keywords you want to throw about in your website to make sure that you're popping up for this stuff. Because if it's not in your website, you can't be found. You can't optimize your website. So I hope the video is helpful. If you're interested, please reach out, and I'd love to, have a 10-minute discussion. My door is always open. I work within budgets, and would love to help in any way I can. And if not, if the timing's not right, I understand. Not a problem. I appreciate you watching. Have an awesome day.